Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing this evening will be the operation of my landline phone, or it's the so-called cordless landline phone, but it was different from the other conventional uh, cordless phone. Okay, I will show you the conventional cordless phone. So this is the conventional cordless phone. It's connected to the landline coming from outside. This is not cordless, but it got one one component in which it is cordless. Meaning to say, if this is alive, we could still take the call using this one. That's why this one is a combination of what they call this, the not cordless and the cordless. Okay? So what I will be showing you this evening will be, it is just this portion here. Okay? So it is really a cordless. That's the one at the bottom. Okay, I will try to fix my camera. That's the one. Oh, this is the cordless. I am telling you this one here. The connection going to the landline is this one here. The power supply is at the bottom. Okay. The power supply, if you try to see it, this is the power supply of this exclusive cordless phone. It's rated 9 volts, so it's plugged in. And as you can see it, the charging light is actually working. Okay, charging light is working. Okay, the difference of this cordless phone from the conventional cordless is actually this one here. Even this one, if this cordless phone is not on the cradle, we can still use it. Okay, that's the difference of the conventional from this, because this one here, if this one here is in your room, if somebody calls the landline, you could answer the call if this cordless phone is on your what you call this room. Okay, so I will now try to call this one if it really works. It's working, right? I'm calling it now through my cell phone, and that cordless phone is actually working, right? It's working. It's working. Okay. I will show you the difference of this one. Okay. I will stop the call. I will remove this cordless phone, okay, and I will place it in a different location. I will place it in a different location. Of course, I will be changing the location of my camera. Okay, hold on. I changed the location of the cordless phone. That's the cordless phone now, right? That's the cordless phone. It's not on the cradle. Okay? If the cordless phone is not on the cradle, the significance of this cordless phone is that even though that cordless phone is not on the cradle, we could still call it. Okay? See? You see it, guys? It's working. That's the significance of this cordless phone. Even if the cordless phone is not on the cradle, we could still use it. But the conventional thing, the only one that could be used is actually the one connected to the landline, plus the cordless phone, which is included with the mother phone. But this one, it got no mother phone. So what comes out from the cradle, it's actually same as this one. Okay, you see it, guys? Okay? Hello? 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 It's working, right? It's working. Okay, it's working. Hello? Hello? It's working. Okay? So that's the significance of this cordless phone. Even this cordless phone, it's not on the cradle, we could still call him. Okay, I will place it here. Then I will stop the call. The call is stopped already. You see it, guys? One more time. I would like to call the cordless phone even if the cordless phone is not on the cradle. It's working. See, it's ringing. Right? It's flashing. So, this is a good cordless phone because if this cordless phone is not on the cradle, we could still use it. Okay? Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De La Reyes.